Learn to crochet a baby's breath mini bouquet in 3 minutes, using double-strand fine cotton yarn. Hold the yarn in your left hand and start with a magic ring. Insert the hook and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through to make a chain stitch. Chain 3. After finishing the 3 chains, insert the hook into the second chain from the hook and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through both loops. This is the first single crochet. Work another single crochet in the next stitch. After 2 single crochets, slip stitch into the finger loop. That completes 1 small petal. Continue crocheting the next petal. Yarn over, pull through, and chain 3. After the 3 chains, work a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Make the first single crochet, then another single crochet in the next chain. After 2 single crochets, slip stitch into the finger loop. The second petal is now complete. Crochet a total of 5 petals. After all 5 petals are finished, slip stitch the last petal. Pull up a loop and cut the yarn. Bring the yarn tail to the center. Pull it to the back. Tighten the center ring. Move all yarn tails to the back. 1 baby's breath flower is complete. Take a thin wire. Cut a piece about 20 centimeters long. Take a strand of yellow yarn. Wrap it around the center. Wrap about 1 centimeter. Form a small loop in the middle. Secure the excess yarn inside the loop. The flower center is ready. Insert it into the middle of the flower. Insert the hook through the base and pull up the yellow yarn. Then take green yarn and place it at the base of the flower. Wrap several times around the base. When you reach the end, secure the excess yarn between the wires. Now 1 small flower is finished. Next, crochet the wrapping. Wrap the yarn over the hook once. Yarn over and pull through. Tighten to make a chain stitch. Chain a total of 42 stitches. After chaining 42, skip the first 2 chains. Yarn over and insert the hook into the 3rd chain. Pull up a loop, then pull through 2 loops at a time. Work a double crochet. Place a marker in the first double crochet. Double crochet in every remaining chain. You will have 40 double crochets in the row. After finishing the first row, turn your work. Chain 2. Make 40 double crochets in the second row as well. Repeat row 2 until you reach row 12. Row 12 is now complete. Chain 1, pull up the loop and cut the yarn. Weave in the yarn tails. Make 15 flowers. Take the green yarn. Wrap them all together. For the excess wire at the bottom, you can bend it. Continue wrapping to cover the wires. Tie a knot and trim the excess yarn. Place the bouquet onto the wrapper. Fold the bottom upward. Roll both sides toward the center. Chain 100 to make a ribbon. Tie a knot first. Then make a bow. Your beautiful baby's breath mini bouquet is finished. Give it a try if you like it.